Yo mga kalodi, and we're back again for another episode of It's Up to You. This is your host, Lodi Diggs.
At ako naman ang inyong sporty bestie, Christine.
At kami ang inyong mga Lodi na maghahatid ng inspirasyon at impormasyon sa kabataang Isabelenyo. Dito lamang yan sa Isa TV, your only island TV channel. Para sa episode na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang isang malaking milestone para sa Isabela City, ang kauna-unahang pag-host ng 2024 Regional Science and Technology Fair.
Sa loob ng 2 araw, noong November 28 hanggang 29, ginanap ang pinakamalaking pagtitipon ng STEM high school student researchers sa rehiyon dito sa Isabela City Civic and Cultural Center. Handa na ba kayong matuto at ma-inspire? Tara't simulan ang kwentuhan.
Nagbukas ang programa sa isang mainit na mensahe mula kay Schools Division Superintendent Dr. J. Monte Alto na binigyan din ang kahalagaan ng inobasyon at kooperasyon sa agham at teknolohiya para sa kinabukasan ng mga ating mag-aaral at komunidad.
We should understand that the United Nations, through its Sustainable Development Goals 4, only aims to produce happy learners. Hub Isabela, as in the city plan, had actually aligned its vision with the Philippine Development Plan along with the ambition natin 2014. Our coherent vision aims a learning environment to effect happy learners, then provide opportunities to become a dignified learner that assists to live a decent life, leading to become functional citizen. DepEd Isabela City improves itself through a suabe mindset. Suabe means start with an end in basic education. Opening our doors to great inventions and innovation is one way to make our learners' lives happy, dignified, and decent after basic education.
Kasunod nito, ipinakilala ni EPS for Science, Ma'am Sayana Hasan ang mga kalahok na nagpakitang gilas sa larangan ng STEM. Grabe mga kalodi, ang husay ng ating mga kabataang Isabelenyo at mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng rehiyon. Mahalagang bahagi ng programa ay ang keynote message ni Mayor City Jalia Turabing Hataman. Alam niyo ba, mga kalodi, BS Biology graduate pala ang ating butihing mayora?
On behalf of the City Government of Isabela City, of course, ang ating SDS, no, and of course our assistant SDS, lahat mo ng ating mga science champions, mga coaches, mga teachers, mga learners natin na talaga namang nangunguna sa larangan ng siyensya, isa mong karangalan para sa Isabela City ang i-host kayo, ang makilala kayo, ang mabigyan kayo ng oportunidad, hindi lamang ho para ipakita at ipamalas ang inyong galing, kundi lalong-lalo na maging inspirasyon ho para ho sa amin dito sa Isabela City. Ako ho, medyo nalihis lang ng landas at naging mayor. Pero actually, I have a degree ho sa BS Biology. No? So, isa ho rin yun sa, nagturo din ho ako after graduating from college. Nagturo ho ako for a while, no, ng siyensya. Hindi ko lang muna kayanan kasi sobrang bigat. Nagturo ako sa college ng animal physiology, o diba? ng botany at ng chemistry. In short, para sa akin, yung pag-aaral mo ng science and math, of course, really trains our mind. It-train yung brain natin kung paano mag-isip. No? Kasi tingin ko, lalo na yung mga, syempre sa trabaho ko ngayon, yung mga pinakamagagaling na nakakatrabaho ko, yun yung merong scientific na approach at perspective sa pagtingin ng mga bagay. Kahit sabihin mo sa larangan ng tourism, sa larangan, of course, ng information, nandito si Sir Marion, kasama namin si City Information, sa larangan ho ng budgeting, siyempre, sa larangan ng planning, di ba? So, napakahalaga ho para sa amin yun. Kaya nung sinabi mo sa akin ng DepEd, na baka kami, Isabela City, ang mag-host ng event na ito, talagang kahit na medyo patapos na ho yung taon, at medyo nanganganib na ang ating mga bulsa, diba, sa government, ganun po kasi. Pero sa we don't want to miss this opportunity na ma-welcome kayo, makilala kayo, no? At as I said ho, ay makabigay ho kayo ng inspiration sa amin and hopefully kami din ay maka-inspire sa inyo. So, yun ho, maraming salamat. Looking forward po sa napakaraming pang opportunities and platforms para ho sa pag-develop ng ating mga, ano bang tawag dyan? Scientist, a culture of science and math, a culture of critical thinking, of creative thinking, na talagang napopromote dahil ho sa pag-uusap na ito, dahil ho sa discipline ng science and math. So maraming salamat. No? Hopefully magkita-kita mo tayo ulit. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Of course, idinagdag din ni Board Member Ahmed Ibni Jalib Hataman ang kahalagahan ng edukasyon at inobasyon sa lokal na pamamahala. Highlight ng kanyang mensahe ang CRIB Ordinance o ang Center for Research, Development and Innovation for Basilan. Grabe, game changer ito para sa R&D and initiatives ng ating isla.
So let me make this statement to all of you today. Science and technology is not only a way to live life. The scientific method, observation, question, hypothesis, testing, results, conclusion, the practice of science and technology, engineering and math, the practice of creativity and critical thinking, that is not just a way of life, mga kaibigan. The practice of science, when done at its best, when done at its purest, and when done with the love for the world and for creation that it deserves, science is the tool for change. So ngayon nasa testing na tayo. The solution, proposed solution ngayon, an ordinance creating and establishing the Center for Research, Development and Innovation of Basilan, or CRIB, a scientific institution, possibly the first of its kind in Region 9 and in Barn. And it was passed last week in third and final reading on Thursday. So baka yung darating yung araw, Mayor, kung tayo naman mag-host ulit, doon na tayo sa Center for Research natin, a shining star of science and technology for Mindanao and the Philippines. Baka darating yung araw kung science and technology yung pag-usapan ng bawat Pilipino, sabihin nila, punta tayo sa Basilan. Inshallah. That is my dream.
Ang ganitong klaseng inisyatiba ay tutulong sa pagbuo ng mga makabagong solusyon para sa sustainable development ng Basilan at ng buong rehiyon. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang Science and Technology Fair kung walang gallery walk at pre-judging session. Ang mga kabataan ay nagpakita ng kanilang mga proyekto na tunay namang nakakabilib. Para sa Mathematics and Computational Sciences at Robotics and Intelligent Machines, kasama sina Dr. Benjir Ariola, Dr. Eva Machutes at Jason Alvar. Sa Life Sciences at Physical Sciences naman, sina Dr. Rachel Rodriguez, Anwar Colong at Marion Guerrero ang nagbigay ng kanilang eksperto at opinyon. Talaga namang top tier ang mga evaluators.
Nakakatawa ring makita kung paano nagkaroon ng knowledge sharing sa bawat presentation. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa kompetisyon, kundi pagpapalaganap ng kaalaman.
So, we're glad to won the first place po. And given that this is our first time, we've went through challenges, especially through when we went through our experimentation. We went through many bad lucks during our experimentation. But we still thank everyone who helped us get through this. We thank Ma'am Angel Adjera, our coach, our consultant, Sir Jerry Paul Kaito, Sir Alterico Pitabal, the Dean of the College of Agriculture, and our parents, Sir Noel Santos, for qualified science for guiding us. Sir Tepe, Sir Santo, Giuseppe, our school. I would like to also thank my father / my consultant na kahit may ibang agenda pa siya sa buhay niya, nagawa niya pa rin tulungan kami. And as well as our research advisor, Ma'am Angel Adrera, who's very supportive and yes, help us to get through this.
Overall, I thank you also for my clients because they are really helpful. And this experience really gave us more connections.
Thank you so much sa achievement na I've received for today, and I'm very thankful for this opportunity, and I just want to thank po my research team for bringing me into this journey po, and I can't express how happy I am no na all the hard works po have paid off po, and I'm very happy po to share to you na research RSTF po is a wonderful experience for me, and it really helped me gain more knowledge, gain new friendships po and relationships towards everyone po, and especially to my team. Thank you very much!
Okay, so we had a great experience here in Isabela City for the Regional Science and Technology Fair. Everyone was accommodating, we were comfortable and safe with the place.
To those who participated in this event, congratulations guys, you did your best, and hopefully in the next time we can do better. And for those researchers don't do it for the medal, do it for your country.
So I would also like to thank especially the parents of my co-proponent, because his parent is one of the people that greatly helped us, especially in moving our product going to Isabela. And then we would like to thank our parents, especially to our coach, Ma'am Bersini Beitan, and to our school and to our city, Zamboanga City.
Thank you also to the consultants who did help us in this research study. Thank you so much.
Additionally, we would like to thank God, of course, because earlier this morning we woke up thinking that we won't even be able to join the shortlist. But now, with God's grace, we were Thank you.
Hello everyone. We are very grateful for everyone who supported us, and actually words cannot express how grateful we are that we nakapasok kami sa national level, and
we are very happy po that we finally, after how many years po in rigorous practice po and preparation for the regional science technology fair po, we're finally, and nakamit po namin yung kampyonato po na being a part, we are the part po na mas ma-represent po namin ang Region 9 in the National Science and Technology Fair, and we are very happy and proud of ourselves po.
And we would like also to extend our gratitude to our to God, first things first to God, to our family, to our also supportive friends, to our teachers, advisors, and coach, to our very supportive municipal mayor, vice mayor, and for everyone na lang. Thank you!
Lamang patay, kuryente bitid, mosquito with light and sound, protection all around. One eye katong-katong, dili na sa mosquito.
So our experience here in the RSCF was really great. Literal na we lost a tarp, and then our truck broke down, but it was really a fun experience, and it was a really a roller coaster ride for all of us.
It was a very roller coaster experience kasi we did not really expect na makatungtong mi sa national level. Like we were really just living the life, and then nakatungtong na mi sa national level po.
And of course, we would like to thank all our coaches, of course, our school principal, Ma'am April Joy, our coach, Sir Juliver, Sir Val, and also Sir Jay. Thank you so much po. Without you, we would be nothing. Also, of course, we would thank also Papa God for guiding us nga naami diri karon. And of course, we will continue to pursue with passion where our dreams will grow and our potential is realized. So thank you so much. That's all.
Hi, Happy Isabella. So it's my first time winning this kind of mathematical computational science individual category. I would like to thank especially my coach, Ma'am Cherry, because siya lang naman yung nagbigay time sa akin and give support, and also to my parents, of course, kasi andito sila, and also the God. I would like to thank God because of her His guidance and give me this thing.
At dyan nagtatapos ang ating kwentuhan tungkol sa 2024 Regional Science and Technology Fair. Muli, ipinakita ng Isabela City na kaya nating maging bahagi ng mas malaking komunidad sa pamamagitan ng inobasyon at kolaborasyon. Isa itong inspirasyon sa lahat ng kabataan na magpatuloy sa pagsisikap at pagkamalikhain sa larangan ng STEM. Muli, ako si Christine, ang inyong sporty bestie.
At ako naman si Lolly Diggs. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na episode ng
It's up to you! It's up to you!
It's up to you!
It's up to you! It's up to you! It's up to you!
It's up to you! It's up to you!
It's Up to You. Dito lamang yan sa Isa TV, your only island TV channel.
Isa TV Production. Your only island TV channel.